hunt for snowdrops. Snowdrops. Oh yeah, look at there are the snowdrops. Alright, well, I hate starting every video telling you what the temperature is, but it's part of the story. So it's 53 degrees today, and about 5 minutes ago it was really sunny. The clouds just came in, and the wind is picking up. So quick story, last weekend, about 4 days ago, 3 days ago, 4 days ago it hit. An Arctic cold blast came down, and we had sustained winds, really high winds, below zero weather. It was about -12 Fahrenheit with the wind, but it was sustained. It went on for like 48 hours. So I'm really glad I came up and got the shell around the hive, and I even put another extra little buffer on the face of the hive there, just to keep the wind away from the hive. So after that snap, today's the day. I'm really hoping this hive's alive. This hive has to survive. They have to make it. So let's go see. Oh yeah, they're there. I put some frames out front for them to rob a little bit there. Some of these old frames here. Hello! You're alive! Oh, this makes me so happy. All right, so there's the shell. I put this extra little wind cone in the front here to keep the wind off the hive. Look at what we have. We've got living bees. Got bees robbing honey from these old frames. They're cleaning them right up. Bees are out exploring. Here's that wind. All right, so I don't want to speak too soon, but it shouldn't get that cold again. And if they survived what we just went through, I think they're going to be all right. So, I'm in a good mood. Spring's coming.